welcome back to this new puzzle. Today we are gonna make an update of Bitcoin, what the price is actually doing and what we can expect. So I am labeling the chart from scratch. You'll see that also from the previous time price was moving within this pattern here. We had two different patterns overall. The first one that was expanding, and we had also another potential one that we had this type of contraction. So if I'm going to delete the first one, we have in this pattern we can see that this is more clear, it makes more sense in our trading scenario right now. And on the other hand, we can see how the price is developing within the pattern. So price is making higher highs and higher lows. Here we have the higher highs and here we have the higher lows, and it keeps doing this type of movement, higher highs and higher lows. So overall price is still pushing up. We have also a breakout of the previous top, so it can be considered a higher high here. And after that we are expecting the price to keep moving higher. But what can we expect right now for the actual price movement? So how can we initiate the trade or the possible continuation movement? So let's look at the first trades that we had. This was the first accumulation. Price created this type of channel, it came down, and after the breakout we saw the bullish movement. So all of this was bullish accumulation moment. The next one that we have on Bitcoin is this small pattern here again. Also after the pattern completion we can see a breakout area. Price made up and downs, and after that the next bullish movement, and we have the higher high again. It is getting very interesting because not all the price developments are moving in this way, so not all the time, and that is why we are in a very nice scenario that keeps advancing and confirming our movements, let's say. And here we have our trades. Just one moment. And here we have higher highs and higher lows. This is a simple technique in technical analysis. It keeps creating this type of movement. So for the time being everything looks fine. Here we have another higher high, and also price broke out from the previous top, so we have a clear top that price broke out here. What we can expect on Bitcoin is that this pattern is actually transformed a bit. Now we are in a bigger picture. Even if we take this pattern in consideration, so let's take it this part. Here we have the higher low, the higher high here. And what we can expect is that this is the first support area where the price may face support, but it can face support also close to 22-23. Overall price is making a bigger pattern, a bigger picture, and all of this is another accumulation. If I'm going to delete what we were looking at before, it makes sense overall if you are going to look at in this way. This type of pattern is developed. Look at the pattern here, it can come down and after that it can move up again. So this is another scenario that I'm looking at on Bitcoin. It looks very interesting. Price can create the small low close to the lower part of the structure as well, but also it can be completed close to this area. It is okay also in this way. So this is why what I am expecting. So Bitcoin can bounce from 23.7 and 23.1 approximately. These are two zones that I am expecting the price to bounce up again for the next movement. Once the price will move above 25.2, so what we actually expect, it will confirm that this accumulation volume is completed. We can see the price to bounce above and it should continue moving higher. The next question is probably how much higher it can increase in value. The first target that I would like to have my position, or let's say I have my position, it was close to 26. Considering that 26 right now is too close, we can extend it and we can see that we have another resistance that is coming from the left side. The left side is 26.8, and I would like to add also the next one, 28,000. So these are the next targets that I would like to focus on Bitcoin, because 26 is too close right now. However, if you want to use 26, it's all fine, because that is a valid zone and also a psychological price area as well. So this is, in simple words, what I'm expecting on Bitcoin. Another accumulation pattern. So this is where the price is accumulating. This is our area here, and it should bounce up again. I will make a brief presentation on the benefits of the WhiteBIT crypto exchange. WhiteBIT is one of the largest European cryptocurrency exchanges. What is really surprising about this broker is that they possess European exchange and custody licenses. WhiteBIT meets the KYC and AML requirements. That means that you will have reliable protection of assets and their securities. You can also make passive income from your money even if you don't intend to invest in certain time periods. Earn up to 30% of passive income on Bitcoin, Ethereum and USDT. These interest rates are impressive compared to other brokers. They have also low trade rates up to 0.1%. You can trade more than 450 trading pairs, and their referral program offers 40% revenue from referral trading commissions. If you want protected funds and earn more passive income, you can open an account via the referral link in the comment section below. I have shared Shiba some days ago on my public profile on August 4, as we can see, and here we had Shiba 10 days ago. Shiba was accumulating at this moment. We can see the price that was contracting, and if we are gonna push the button for the chart, we can see that price almost reached the last target here. I have initiated this trade to update since when it was close to the lower part of the structure, so it's very good trade and it should keep moving higher. However, let's look at Shiba, what is actually happening. As I have explained also on the other analysis, Shiba was accumulating for many days close to the support, to the resistance area, the one in red here, and this was showing for the price that was getting ready for the bullish movement. Only from this point where we can measure it, we can see that price increased approximately 24%, so it was a very good movement. Right now I don't think that this is the right moment for Shiba to increase value. Probably we can see the price to lose volume. This is a potential scenario that we can see, a type of wedge pattern or a channel. I don't know how it can develop, but probably many traders are going to close profits at that area, and after that we can see the next bullish movement. So also before price showed that it was needed a lot of accumulation before the next movement. This was very strong, so price needs to accumulate again before it keeps moving higher. So don't jump in this trade right now, because price can come close to this area again, 0.0000 1308. So it will be a very good movement in this way for Shiba. Just keep this scenario in mind, that it should come down, and don't jump in the trade right now. Let's make it a bit smaller, and here you have your scenario, a possible 1 to 3 movement. This could be the correction, let's say, and after that we are going to jump in the trade again for this, for the bullish movement again. So this is all for today. Just don't jump on Shiba, wait, and we are going to update this trade again, because this is getting very interesting from all perspectives, as we can see. So this is all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video analysis. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the like button for more future contents. Thank you. Bye bye.